Greetings everybody, my name is Tamimi Zakira. I'm from Bina Nusantara University. Today I will present about our paper that has titled Facebook Groups in Indonesia and Czech, How English Language Learner Gaining Knowledge and Learning New Things. There are 5 authors in this paper. There are Mr. Irmawan Rahyadi, Mr. Lamani, Mr. Abdul Rozak Mozin, Mr. Daniel Mezel Balka, and myself, Tamimi Zakira. Let's move on. The aim of this work was to study the Facebook user gaining knowledge and learning new things in Facebook groups in Indonesia and Czech Republic. The qualitative research methodology was used to conduct analysis on Facebook group posting as data. The new that stated rebranding of Facebook into Meta has been exposed by many news outlets online and offline, since this is announcement published in Facebook reputation management process. The fact that Facebook reputation has been debated, Facebook's users still gain knowledge and sharing valuable experience in the platform. The availability of facility in Facebook can expand social and communication potential for individuals who look for information, knowledge, and even entertainment. The potential of Facebook can be utilized for corporate, social, community, cultural, until for student knowledge. The student was looking to socialize and some of them using Facebook for gaining knowledge. Still, for many Facebook users, the Facebook group is available to participate in based on their niche and interest. Evidently, extensive utilization of Facebook groups not only limited to corporation but also individual needs, like knowledge. Nevertheless, most of the motivation people who created Facebook group provide public with rich resources for information, knowledge, and entertainment as the area that have detailed level. This research analyzed the establishment of Facebook groups alongside their motivation in providing English language learner to reveal the communication, facility, and mentoring practice online. The subsequent section used a qualitative research methodology of Facebook groups from Indonesia and Czech to develop framework for analysis of the posting as data. Here are the methods of how our study was conducted. The data from Facebook group in Indonesia and Czech were collected within 9 months from January to September 2021. It's about 270 posts. The posts were all collected as data with video, text, image like such a photo card, slides, and etc., in which prepared for analysis. Collected data were derived from 2 active Facebook groups for Indonesia and Czech target audience. To verify that these 2 Facebook groups valid as the sample, the group was identified as active, and until the data gathering process, they is still creating the post since before pandemic era. The first Facebook group for Czech audience is Ushime se Angliki, Dotasi Diskusi TP. And in English, that means we learn English, question, discussion, and tips, that created on July 10th, 2017. The second Facebook group for Indonesian audience is Belajar Bahasa Inggris Online, that means learning English language online, that created on February 28, 2018. The data supporting this study consists of posts from 2 groups, about 270 posts by admin and other members of the group collected by capturing the Facebook groups. Posts distributed over the period January until September 2021 as a part of a larger post data involving these 2 groups. These 2 groups manage English language learning community in the Facebook. The Facebook groups post that is foundation of the study were included in the part of the data investigating how English language learner gaining knowledge and learning new things. The exact question were how the Facebook groups member at some point during the participation in the groups first communicate with each other, and then using facility in the groups to learn the English language and benefit from the mentoring groups. And the data was captured with no limit to the format of the post, from video, link, image to text, etc. The data gathering process, especially from social media, usually captured by the behavioral data of interpersonal interactions. Using post and comment thread published to the group provided this study with a relatively large amount of qualitative data on individual online communication, Most data varied from a few words as posting to video by admin, and some members provided links to related information on English language learning. Those data that were short and long were all incorporated in the non-participant observation data as long as the date between January to September 2021, which were narrative in nature, describing the perceived online communication of language learning facilities in Facebook groups. Later on, we move to the findings. The finding first is from the aspect communication. More precisely, the study found that the communication is the one of the important things in the data. On the note, the two groups demonstrate unique communication patterns and style depend on the group rules that they state in the feature about. The group for Indonesia audience indicated the member avoid posting things related to religion, race, controversial things, and pornography. The other rules are encouragement to participate actively in the group communication and respecting one another. Like in this figure, Indonesian audience using the Indonesian name to attract audience in the niche and also show the number of the members. The group appointed 2 accounts as an admin and 7 people as moderator. The other feature the admin and owners of the group used to communicate about the group rule in announcements section, which restating that the group is an educational place where members learning English language, not to post promotional content and spamming. The moderator also regularly posts English language learning material. The feature of topic in this Facebook page homepage included hashtag with the topic that mostly surfaced in the group posting. The topic ranged from stay home, learning English for free, IELTS test, and translator until how to learn British accent. The data shows that most of the posting dominated by posts from members. The group exhibit communication from members to members. Members communicate their needs of learning English using their posts, some of them as a specific word, phrase, or slang in Indonesian to be translated in English, which is the most favorite question to ask the group. This type of post can be commented and answered by any member. The big chunk of communication in Facebook group happen in comment section. The communication is as simple as asking questions about the meaning of a word in English and etc. Some members even ask solution of their class assignment and homework to the members. And as we can see, comparing to the Facebook group from Czech, the audience that has named Ushime se Angliki Dotasi Diskusi TV, group moderated by a single person. Her name is Marketa Klopkova Jansikova. She is the admin of the owner of this group. She also owns English website where she sells English language course. This Facebook group is a private group where a Facebook user can request to join English learning for free. And the communication site in this group dominated by the admin. She posts regularly with information, learning material, and question for the member. There are a small number of posting from members found in group. The member only communicate and mostly communicate using the comment section replying to the instruction from admin. Members' communication also included answering questions, quiz, polling, exercise, and attending webinar organized by the admin. Let's move on to the next finding, which is facility. The results in this research are a witness of facility from Facebook support the learning of English language in the platform. Yet Facebook group admin can choose to use a particular facility to assist their learning and teaching process. Moreover, the Facebook group and for Indonesian audience has shown that the strength of the relationship between members depend on how well they can share experience and exchanging information and knowledge. The Indonesian group opened the posting facility to the member, allowing the member to share, ask, post anything to the group. Although the posting from member must be permitted by the admin, the fact that this facility open for a member is a beneficial facility to the member to get the knowledge in this group. On the other side, the Czech group used the facilities such as polling to manage a quiz and exercise for the members. Members then answer the question and gain knowledge via the facility enabled by the admin. The admin also organized webinar and Facebook Live, and this facility allowed the member to gain live interactive English language learning. All this facility is for free, while the admin also own an English language business. In addition, the group also provide a link and third-party source. Precisely, the admin linked this Facebook group with her business page. The use of this facility from Facebook indicates that at a certain level, when admin organize any English language learning material, the admin motivated to sell her service. While the Indonesian Facebook group managed the platform as public group, and the Czech group Facebook set the group as the private group. This facility where the admin of any Facebook group has option to establish privacy for their group. There is significant difference between the public and the private Facebook group. Any information on the members in public groups can be seen by anyone, meanwhile the members can see who is in the group and what they see posts in the private group are limited. The last finding is mentoring. The data showed that the interactive process of learning English language in the group supported by mentoring identification. The Indonesian Facebook group was found to mediate the mentoring through regular material posts by admin. In this group, members even mentor one another using questions that they can post freely. Many members in this group posted their assignment and homework to ask for solution and answer which commented and replayed by other members. The fact that this community mentoring assists the member gaining knowledge and creating the quality and quantity of the group. The admin consists of many people unite to help members to gain knowledge and share experience in learning English language. The data show that posting from admin come from different accounts. And then from Czech Facebook group has different mentoring practice. The admin and owner of the group is one person only. She controls majority of the material to be discussed. She organized webinar and Facebook Live. She asked questions, posted quiz, made polling and exercise. The mentoring practice is executed by one person. This is in line with the fact that the group sat in private so that she could monitor and message and quality of the group as well as connect to the business account of her. And the conclusion of our paper is, in this study, the data was evaluated in the detail to explore the communication, facility, and mentoring practice in the platform. The main case study has been in 2 Facebook groups targeted audience from Indonesia and Czech. Based on the data, and particularly on the data gathering period, the research analyzed content that describe the 2 groups. The communication is an important element on the platform. The practice of communication, the use of facility, and the mentoring practice in Indonesian Facebook group has been compared to the reference in Czech Facebook group, which represent how the different group facilitate the members. Among the findings for both Indonesian and Czech data, the audience have unique communication method to be facilitated by the admin. This is because privacy settings in the data are different, since Indonesian Facebook group set in public group, while Czech Facebook group set in private group. The result enrich data to see communication practice in the diverse setting and originate from various target audience. Okay, that is all about our paper. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for your attention and see you later.